Hello dear student of class 7th, welcome to a new video of mathematics class. I hope you all are absolutely fine. So dear student, today we are going to start a new chapter number 3, and the name of the chapter is data handling. But before starting this chapter, there are 3 points जिनमें हम आज डिस्कस करेंगे. The very first one is the introduction. So dear student, in your previous classes we have dealt with the various type of data. You have learned to collect data, tabulate and put it in the form of bar graphs. The collection, recording and presentation of data help us organize our experiences and draw inferences. Previous classes में हमने बहुत सारे डेटास के बारे में पढ़ा. हमने ये सीखा कि डेटास को कलेक्ट कैसे किया जाता है, उसे टैबुलेट फॉर्म में कैसे लिखा जाता है और उसे बार ग्राफ्स में कैसे यूज़ किया जाता है. डाटा का कलेक्शन करना, रिकॉर्ड करना और प्रेजेंटेशन करना से हमें हेल्प मिलती है उसे ऑर्गेनाइज वे में लिखने के लिए. वहाँ से हमें बहुत सारी इंफॉर्मेशंस मिलती हैं. इस चैप्टर में हम कुछ और न्यू स्टेप्स सीखेंगे डेटा हैंडलिंग से रिलेटेड. The second thing is that arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean. So the formula for the arithmetic mean is equal to sum of all observation upon number of observation. I repeat, sum of all observation upon number of observation. जब हम क्वेश्चंस करेंगे तो आपको और अच्छे से डिटेल में समझ में आएगा. थर्ड पॉइंट इज रेंज. So the range is the difference between the highest and the lowest observation, which gives us an idea of the spread of the observation. And हम कैसे फाइंड करते हैं ऑब्जर्वेशन को? ग्रेटर वैल्यू में से लोअर वैल्यू को जब सब्ट्रैक्ट किया जाता है तो जो हमारे पास वैल्यू आती है वो रेंज कहलाती है. So without wasting our time, let us start exercise 3.1. So the first question is, find the range of the height of any 10 student in your class. So dear student, let us assume height in centimeter of 10 student of our class. ये कुछ हमारे पास हाइट्स हैं सेंटीमीटर में. हमारी क्लास में 10 स्टूडेंट अगर हैं तो उनकी हाइट. रेंज पूछा गया है तो हम क्या करेंगे, हाईएस्ट हाइट देखेंगे वो है 148 सेंटीमीटर. लोवेस्ट वैल्यू जो है वो है 130 सेंटीमीटर. रेंज फाइंड करने का फॉर्मूला हाईएस्ट वैल्यू सब्ट्रैक्ट लोवेस्ट वैल्यू एंड द आंसर इज 18 सेंटीमीटर. सेकेंड इज ऑर्गेनाइज द फॉलोइंग मार्क्स इन द क्लास असाइनमेंट इन अ टेबुलर फॉर्म एंड देन गिव द आंसर ऑफ द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस. So first of all, we have to arrange the given marks in the ascending order and then we use the frequency table जो हमने सीखा है, how to write tally marks and frequency in the previous classes. Highest number जो है 9, lowest number is 1, range 9 minus 1 is 8, and for arithmetic mean what we do, sum of all observation upon total number of observation. So we add all the digits that we have and divide it by the total number of the observation and we will get 5 answer. Question number 3 is, find the mean of the first 5 whole number. So the first 5 whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Mean निकालने के लिए sum of all observation upon total number of observation, add it. So 10 upon 5 is equal to 2. Thus the mean of the first 5 whole number is equal to 2. Now question number 4. A cricketer scores the following run in 8 innings. Find the mean score. Again the same thing, sum of all observation upon total number of observation. When we solve it we will get 400 upon 8, that is 50. So the mean score of the cricketer is equal to 50. Following table shows the point of each played score in 4 games A, B and C. उन्होंने 4 games खेले और उन्होंने कुछ score किया. Now find the mean determined by A, average number of points scored per game. To find the mean number of the point per game for C, would you divide the total points 3 by 3 or by 4? Why? First question is, find the mean to determine A's average number of points scored per game. So what we do, we will find average 14 plus 16 plus 10 plus 10 upon 4, that is 12.5. It means that the average score of player A is 12.5 points. Second question is, To find the mean number of points per game for C, would you divide the total point by 3 or by 4? So the solution is, to find the mean number of point per game for C, we will divide the total point by 3. हम किससे डिवाइड करेंगे? 3 से डिवाइड करेंगे, बिकॉज C played only 3 games. क्योंकि C ने सिर्फ 3 गेम्स ही खेले हैं, तो हम टोटल नंबर ऑफ गेम्स 3 ही रखेंगे और 3 से ही डिवाइड करेंगे. B played in all the 4 games. How would you find the mean? So B played in all the 4 games, so we'll divide the total points by 4. So 18 upon 4, that is 4.5. Who is the best performer? So we have the points of A, that is 12.5. Then we have a points of B, that is 4.5 centimeter. Similarly, we can find the average point of C and we will get 10.67 points. So clearly we can say that A is the best performer among 3. So rest of the questions 6, 7 and 8 as 9 we will do in the next video. Thank you.